This dance is called RC, choreographed by Rita Masur. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, conga walks. Walk forward, right, left, right, point left to the side. Walk back, left, right, left, point right foot to the side. Section 2, repeating section 1. Conga walks. Walk forward, right, left, right, point left to the side. Walk back, left, right, left, point right foot to the side. Section 3, step touches. Right foot forward, touch left to the side. Left foot forward, touch right foot to the side. Right foot forward, touch left to the side. Left foot forward, touch right foot to the side. Last section, jazz box, quarter turn to your right. Right foot cross, left foot back. Quarter turn right, right foot forward, left foot together. Now you're facing 3 o'clock. Hip bumps, right, left, right, left. Weight on your left, now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Optional jazz box, quarter turn to your right on the last 8 counts. Starting with right foot, walk back, right, left, quarter turn right, side together. Now you're facing 3 o'clock. With counts for the optional jazz box, quarter turn to your right. The last 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.